Hi guys, welcome to Wendy Styles. I just want you guys to please check out those beautiful short hairstyles to complement and embrace your face. You can see one thing about this haircut is that it's one of the best short haircuts for beautiful women with fine textured hair. With this kind of hair, you really don't need a chemical relaxer to really create the illusion of a soft, easygoing style. Your natural hair can easily be styled up, like when it comes with those beautiful styles, and maybe sometimes adding some few coils or even some finishing spray. One thing about this haircut too is that it's that kind of beautiful short haircut for women that are a great style choice if you really want that haircut that has that low heat, maybe adding little heat or even no heat at all on your hair. And it's also that kind of heat protectant hairstyle that is a must always protect the integrity of your hair. One thing with this is that hair oils are always vital, like when it comes to promoting your hair shine on your beautiful short hair. And those styles, you can see, we really give you that instant style change you want. If it's your first time here in Wendy Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Just consider this haircut because it's a hairstyle that beautiful black women over 50 out there can try. Because one thing with the style, you can see how evenly cut layers all around the head shape make this simple to maintain, and you can see how the style shape can be worn on the forehead, like this Pixie style can be worn on the forehead or even pushed back, making it suitable for any face shape. So especially on 50-year-old black women, to keep them looking younger. So when keeping a pixie cut for older black women to look and feel fresh and lengthen the longevity of the blowout, dry shampoo is always recommended, and it's also perfect to bring out the efficacy of the coils. So for black women out there with short hair that are looking for chic and easy to maintain hairstyle, this beautiful cut is a good choice because you can see how this short and sleek cut is classic and modern and can be easily tailored to match your unique style. I want to appreciate you watching. God bless you guys. Please stay locked to Wendy Styles, for there are more beautiful short haircuts coming your way in the next few hours.
I think I might go what do you